Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about my family. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have a small and happy family. There are 4 people in my family. My husband, my son, my daughter, and me. We live together in a cozy and loving home. My husband's name is Jamie. He is in his mid-30s. He works hard and takes good care of our family. He is calm and kind. At home, Jamie likes to relax on the sofa. He enjoys quiet moments after a long day. He listens carefully and gives good advice. He is a supportive and loving husband. My son's name is David. He is 8 years old. He is curious and full of energy. Sometimes he looks sleepy in the morning. David likes to ask many questions. He enjoys playing and learning new things. At home, he feels safe and happy with his family. He makes us smile every day. My daughter's name is Lucy. She is 6 years old. She is gentle and sweet. She loves holding her favorite toy. Lucy likes to sit close to her family. She looks around with curious eyes. She enjoys listening and watching quietly. She brings warmth and joy to our home. I am a mother and I take care of my family. I try to keep our home peaceful and happy. I enjoy spending time with my children. I also enjoy simple moments with my husband. In the morning, we sit together and talk. In the evening, we relax as a family. We share our thoughts and feelings. These moments are very special to me. My family gives me love and strength. When I feel tired, they support me. When I feel happy, they share my joy. I am very thankful for my family. This is my family. Now tell me about yours. Who is in your family? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.